In this video, I will show you how to cancel order on NFL Shop. So to cancel your order on NFL Shop, what you have to do is simply open up Chrome browser or any web browser. In the search bar, search for nflshop.com. From here, click on this profile icon in the top right corner right beside the cart icon. Then sign in to the account from which you had created your account and made the order. Once you're signed in, click on this 3-line menu bar in the top left corner. At the end, if you scroll down, you'll find My Orders. Click on it. Then your order history will open, and if the item has not been dispatched already, here you will find the Cancel button. Simply click on Cancel Order, confirm it, and that's it. That is how you can cancel your order on NFL Shop. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.